これ、それ、あれ、どれ? Hello world! I am Kozysensei from Kozysensei Japanese. Welcome back to Simple Japanese Grammar Lessons. In this lesson, you will learn 4 words that Japanese people use all the time. これ、それ、あれ, and どれ? Very simple, very easy, very fun to learn. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to say things like, that is good, what is that, and what's over there. These lesson series have no fancy edits, just learning Japanese. それでは皆さん、始めましょう. Let's get started. First word is これ、これ、これ. これ means this, near me. Example will be これはペンケースです。これはペンケースです。これはペンケースです。Your turn. So this is used when you want to point at something really close to you. Next word is それ。それ、それ。それ means that near you. So the example will be それはペンケースです。それはペンケースです。それはペンケースです。Your turn. When we describe something near you, not mean, we use それ. Next word is あれ。あれ。あれ。あれ means that, far from both of us. So we can use it in an example like あれは何ですか? 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 Your turn. We use あれ when we point at something far from us, maybe something on the other side of the room or other side of, across the street or something. Last word to know today is どれ? 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 どれ means which one in Japanese. For example, you can say どれが美味しいですか? 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 Your turn. So obviously, when you want to ask a question, something like, which one is good? You can say, どれが美味しいですか? Alright guys, congratulations and good job! Yay! Now we want to do a simple review of what we learned so far today. これ near me. それ near you. あれ that one far from both of us. And どれ which one? One more time. これ、それ、あれ、and どれ? Your turn. Now, I'll give you some real-life examples you can start using today. すみません。これは何ですか? どれですか? それですか? パフェです。いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。すみません。これはいくらですか? それは7900円です。ちょっと高いですね。One more variation you can start using after this lesson is going to be これは何ですか? 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 What is that? Okay, that's it for today, but how was today's lesson? Did you guys enjoy? Did you guys do well? I'm sure you guys did well. Okay, so in the next lesson, we will learn この、その、あの, and どの. These are very similar to what we covered today, but useful variations we can use in daily life. If this lesson helped you today, please like and subscribe. No fancy edits, just learning Japanese. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye!